In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a neon effect in Figma. This is a fun and vibrant technique that can give your UI designs a pop of color and light. We'll walk through this process together step by step so you can easily implement these eye-catching effects in your projects. Grab your computer or laptop and let's dive right in. First, we begin by heading over to Figma, which is a fantastic collaborative interface design tool that many designers around the world rely on. If you haven't already, open your favorite browser and navigate to Figma's website. Once you arrive on the landing page, locate and click on the login option. Logging in is essential because it ensures access to your workspace and previous projects. Next, you'll find yourself on the home screen of Figma. This is your starting point for all design endeavors. Here's a quick tip. Organizing your files efficiently from the start can save you a lot of time later on. Now look for the design section and click on it. This is where the magic will happen today. With your workspace now in design mode, you want to prepare to add some sparkle to your designs. The next step is to look for the action menu. Click on it, which should open up various options for you to explore. Once you have the action menu in view, you'll now want to search for neon effects. This feature allows you to infuse that glow and radiance into your projects with ease. In the search bar, type in neon effects and you should see some options pop up. What you're looking for here is a plugin or setting called Text Neon. Find and select it. Text Neon is specifically designed to create that electrifying glow around your text. Think of classic neon signs you've probably seen lighting up storefronts or diners. Once you have selected Text and Neon, you'll want to run it. There should be a run button or command within the options or script menu. Clicking on this will initiate the neon glow effect, allowing you to customize it according to your preferences. You can adjust the color and intensity to best match your current design concept. After running the neon effect, be sure to explore some additional tweaks to truly make it yours. Play around with different hues and saturation levels to see what works best within the context of your overall design. Remember, practice and experimentation are key to mastering this glowing technique. As we reach the end of this tutorial, take a moment to review your work and savor the brilliance you've brought to life. Now you're equipped with an exciting new skill to make your work stand out. Thank you for following along, and we hope to see your neon-infused designs lighting up the digital world soon.